Hi there, my name is Brendon, this is my wife Sue, and we'd just like to welcome you to our new showroom here in Exeter.
We are a family business located in the heart of Exeter and are extremely proud to be part of the UK's #1 kitchen makeover group. No matter how big or small your requirements are, our team of expert fitters can carry out your kitchen makeover and save you up to half the cost of a new kitchen installation.
We offer a large selection of door styles and colours to suit everybody's requirements, all of which are made to measure specifically for your kitchen. We can supply and fit a variety of worktops from laminates, quartz and granite, as well as seamless composite worktops like Wharf.
We can also supply and fit leading appliance brands such as Neff, Bosch and Samsung. And when it comes to sinks and taps, we can supply and fit top brands such as Franke and Blanco, amongst others.
One aspect that separates Dream Doors from its competitors and helps to reduce the impact on the environment is that we will reuse your existing cabinets where we can, instead of discarding them into landfill. We are located in 4 Street, Heavytree, with free parking to the rear of our showroom. From our showroom here in Exeter, we cover most of East Devon, including Tiverton, Dawlish and Seaton. And we would love to show you what Dream Doors have to offer in terms of their latest styles and colours.
We would absolutely love it if you can call in, have a cup of tea with us and just chat about your kitchen requirements. We're always here to help.